Have you ever wondered why some relationships just seem to explode like a fireworks show, and then, poof, they're gone, while others have this steady, warm glow that lasts for years and years? Well, today we're going to get into the two powerful and, let's be honest, often confused forces behind it all: chemistry and compatibility.
You know the feeling, right? You meet someone and bam, it's just electric. The connection feels so instant, so intense, and you're thinking, okay, this is it. But then, almost as fast as it started, the whole thing just fizzles out, and you're left just kind of scratching your head wondering, what on earth just happened?
Well, the answer to that question usually comes down to mixing up one powerful feeling for another. So let's pull back the curtain on what that initial spark really is and figure out what actually fuels a connection and, what causes it to flame out.
Okay, so let's start with the one we all recognize, the one that Hollywood movies are made of. Let's talk about chemistry. This is the raw, undeniable science of that initial spark.
So what is chemistry really? It's that huge emotional rush. We're talking about the raw attraction, the intense passion, the pure excitement you feel just being around someone. It's that can't eat, can't sleep feeling when you are falling hard. And the signs? Oh, they are so physical, you can literally feel them. You know, the butterflies going crazy in your stomach, that little bit of nervous energy? That person just completely takes over your thoughts. And the conversations, they can just flow for hours and hours, feeling totally effortless and exciting all at once.
People often describe it as feeling like actual magic. And yeah, it really can. Chemistry is this intoxicating force that just pulls you towards another person, making those early days feel so incredibly alive and just full of endless possibilities.
But, and this is a really, really big but, as amazing as that magical feeling is, it definitely comes with a critical warning label. Here's the most important thing to get. Chemistry all by itself is just not enough. It can be super misleading, even blinding, causing us to completely ignore major red flags or the fact that you're just not compatible. That incredible spark does not guarantee a stable, lasting flame.
So, if chemistry is the spark, then what is it that keeps the fire going? Well, that brings us to its equally important partner, compatibility. This is the real foundation for any relationship that's built to last.
Now, unlike that emotional storm of chemistry, compatibility is way more logical. It's all about how well your lives actually practically fit together. Do you share the same core values on the big stuff, like family or money or what you want out of life? Do your day-to-day lifestyles even make sense together?
The signs of strong compatibility are usually a lot quieter, but man, do they run deep. It's that feeling of ease where you can communicate openly and honestly without fear. It's built on this foundation of real, deep-seated trust and a genuine respect for who that other person is, flaws and all.
So when you boil it all down, chemistry might be the thing that gets you in the door, but compatibility is what lets you build a life inside. It's the sturdy foundation that can handle whatever life throws at you.
So, you might be thinking you have to choose one over the other, but that's not it at all. The real goal, the sweet spot, is finding that perfect balance where the spark meets the fuel.
Let's break it down like this. On one side, you have the spark. That's your chemistry, all the intense passion, the excitement, the butterflies. Then, on the other side, you have the fuel. That's your compatibility, your shared values, that mutual respect, your long-term goals. See? One starts the fire, the other is what keeps it from burning out.
I mean, this quote just says it all, doesn't it? You absolutely need that initial spark to get a connection going. But without the steady, reliable fuel of compatibility, that fire is going to fade out fast, leaving you with nothing but smoke.
Okay, so how do you actually find this balance? Well, it really starts by being more intentional. It means prioritizing shared values while you're getting to know someone. It demands open and honest communication about what you both really need and want. And of course, it means you both have to be willing to compromise to build a life together.
So, here's the big takeaway. The ideal relationship, the one we're all hoping for, it thrives on both of these things. But if you are really looking for something that is gonna stand the test of time, you have to make sure you are building it on the solid ground of compatibility.
And that really just leaves us with one final question to think about. In your own life, are you focused on building a sustainable, long-lasting fire? Or are you maybe getting a little distracted by just chasing those fleeting sparks? The answer might just change everything.